Here is a company from New Zealand that's quite proud of the way they do things. The reason for the exceptionally high quality of their boats, according to the manufacturer, is that the entire production process happens in-house. The team chooses the materials, constructs the boats, and then tests them in water before selling. They arrive in a package not larger than a regular suitcase, and once up, a catamaran Discovery can carry 700 kilograms of load, but there are also other models available. This one weighs only 45 kilograms and has a 20 horsepower motor. For true boating enthusiasts, the company also offers add-ons like dinghy wheels, rod holders, drift chutes, and more. Prices start at around $1,200 USD. Seasoned fishermen, watch out! The following sound might send an adrenaline rush down your spine. Fox Micron bite alarms have long been a well-loved favorite among fishermen, saving them from missing out on a catch. And upon seeing the $30 USD price tag of their mini Micron alarms, you'll quickly understand why they are known as one of the best budget buys of the industry. When a fish bites and moves the line, the alarm will light up, ring, as well as ring the wireless receiver. The sensitivity, sound, and volume can be adjusted as per need. They are also small enough to fit comfortably in the palm of your hand and come with rubber inserts to protect your fishing rod. Looking at it, you'd hardly guess that this is a fully functioning life vest. As opposed to traditional models, this one stays flat most of the time, and pulling the ripcord on the chest quickly inflates it using compressed CO2. To reuse it, you can simply fold it back and replace the CO2 cartridge. With endorsements from the US Coast Guard, it's a safe and sensible buy at just under $200. However, some people mention that traditional life jackets may still have one advantage. If a person is knocked out unconscious and falls into the water, they can't pull the ripcord. Still, this flat version from Hyde Sportswear has many applications, so that the company was not only successful on Kickstarter, but later also got some offers on Shark Tank. Have you ever spent hours out on a fishing trip without a single catch to show for it? If the answer is yes, we won't tell, but it might be time to invest in a fish call. 16-year-old Jack Danos created this company with his father in 2016, and they eventually raised over $110,000 on Kickstarter for it. The main idea is, instead of trying to guess where the fish are, why not bring the fish to you? This small floating device uses vibration and sound to attract fish towards it.
Sound number 1. Scared shrimp.
Simply turn it on and toss it in the water near your cast. The vibrations emitted mimic the natural sounds of a school of small fish, attracting predator fish like trout, flounder, and catfish towards it. While some people consider that cheating, others are big fans of this technique. One of these devices is priced at around $190. This $90 tool is similar, but instead of bringing the fish to you, you go to the fish. It works with sonar signals that are sent up to 40 meters deep and reflect visual images of anything beneath the water surface. This helps you A. map the waterbed, and B. see if there are schools of fish or individual fish around, what size they are, and at what depth. So, no need for hours on guesswork anymore. You can use it for all sorts of fishing too, from the shore or your deck, in a kayak, or even for ice fishing. And for any data enthusiasts out there, it even tags GPS locations, water temperatures, depths, and species caught using the Bluetooth-connected app. Even though handlining doesn't need any fancy tools if you compare it to traditional rod and reel fishing, the DAGGERFISH hand reel is a keeper, born not out of necessity, but out of comfort. DAGGERFISH hand reels are solid wood fishing reels. Simply tie on a lure, cast out by hand, and reel it back in. Easy to learn and to carry around on camping trips and backpacking journeys. Founded by the son of a park ranger, each one is handcrafted in Pittsburgh and comes with a lifetime warranty. Prices are quite low too, with the sugar maple one starting at $45. Not a bad deal for an entire fishing kit. This one's quickly explained. Open the case, pop in the hook, and make a knot safely. Since stabbing yourself while handling hooks is Fisherman 101, this $15 tool will help you out, especially in cold weather and ice fishing scenarios, and it even comes with a stainless steel trimmer for cutting lines. Don't want to end up like this guy? Then you might want to consider investing in this simple yet clever device that'll help you keep your balance. The RODASSISTA is a fishing harness or belt designed to hold your fishing rod and free up your hands. It has a built-in spring-loaded mechanism that takes the weight of the rod. Additionally, your body acts as a stable anchor, allowing you to control the rod easily. While prices are quite steep at around $250, the device is a wonderful addition to longer fishing trips, literally taking a load off your hands, allowing you to work more comfortably. Once this jacket transforms into a tent, there will be nobody left wondering about the extravagant design. The trench is made from nylon or polyester, and to assemble it into an impromptu waterproof shelter, you need the base and pole attachment. It can fit 2 people and feels adequate in temperatures above 12 degrees Celsius. And when worn as a lightweight trench jacket, it has waterproof zippers, mesh pockets, and ventilation in the back. It can even be machine washed. Currently, the trench is available for purchase online at just over $300. To get to the fish in the deeper parts of a lake or the ocean, there is an alternative to lugging around a giant kayak to get to these spots. Inside this 13-kilogram, 120-centimeter-long package is actually a 3-meter-long hard-shell kayak that can be folded down to roughly the size of a yoga mat. The folding and unfolding is pretty clever. There are no open folds below the top level of the construction that could leak. Just tossed in the trunk of your car, this is something you can always have on hand. The best part? Prices start at roughly $350. Sometimes fishing trips can get really tiring and you just need to lie down. That's when the HANGPAD comes in handy. A hammock, sleeping pad, and beach blanket all in one, which means you can choose how you want to take your afternoon nap. You simply need to inflate it for use, and the team makes this easier with their quick pump as well. It even includes an inbuilt adjustable pillow that has its very own air valve. The device is lightweight and compact and built to withstand diverse weather conditions. The HANGPAD is set to retail at $199 USD.
As the name implies, it's a paddle and a bilge pump.
This 2-in-1 paddle and pump combo weighs a little over half a kilogram, similar to regular paddles. Around 10 pumps will dispel a gallon of water from the boat. The paddle shaft is made using aluminum to ensure durability and strength, while the blades and handles are made using recycled plastics. Don't forget to subscribe to Unstoppable Gadgets. And if you want to check out some cool water vehicles, click on the screen for the next video.